Hello everyone. Today I have a nice geometry problem to share. My suggestion is that before I solve it, you pause the video and try to figure it out on your own. That way, you'll learn better. Alright, let's get started. It says the following. ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB is equal to BC. Also, AC, AD, and DE are all equal to each other. That's already visible in the diagram. The angle ADB is given as 111 degrees, and we're asked to find the angle X. So, how should we approach this? Let's start by completing that wide 111-degree angle to 180. That gives us angle CDA as 69 degrees. Since triangle ADC is isosceles, angle C must also be 69 degrees, even though the drawing might not look perfectly proportional. We're also told that triangle ABC is isosceles, with AB equal to BC. I've marked those sides in red. That means angle A must also be 69 degrees, right? So what's left for angle B? 69 plus 69 is 138, which means angle B must be 42 degrees. Nice. Now, on one side we have 111 degrees, and on the other side 42. So what's left for the third angle? That would be 27 degrees. Now let's use that red isosceles triangle. If angle A is 27 degrees, then angle E must also be 27 degrees. And remember, the sum of two interior angles in a triangle equals the exterior angle opposite them. So X plus 27 equals 42, which means X is 15 degrees. Alright, that wasn't a bad question at all. Personally, I enjoy the tougher problems more. I think they're more educational. If you'd like to see more challenging questions, let me know in the comments and we'll go over some now and then. Alright, that's it for now. See you in the next video.